Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I know this is really nothing like Commodore related, but I've always liked these things. The first time I ever saw it was at a display at the Ontario Science Centre, except it was a much bigger ball. There were all kinds of warnings about potential electronic damage and all that. Anyway, it's funny how some things, they just stick with us for years and years and years and years. Anyway, this is a much smaller ball. The thing that I find cool about it is, and I'm going to do this, if I take my finger and I put it in there, it attracts. If I put another finger, it really brings it. If I put a third finger, it almost shuts down everything else until I take them off. Whoosh, and then it's back. Anyway, I find these soothing. I do. And mesmerizing. Anyway, I have to get back to other things, but I just thought I would turn out the lights and let you see the wonder of this. And yes, this was something I found on Temu, and of course I'm going to try and stay away from it. Although, most of the stuff I got I'm pretty okay with. I just, yep, it's easy to get carried away on there. Someone did mention something, comparing it to Tupperware. Well, Tupperware is a pyramid scheme. Temu, I don't know. It's just hard to describe how it's just like they keep giving you things and spin and discounts and free things and then and you don't even realize what you've done until you suddenly go, oh my word, what have I done? Anyway, I like this. I'm pleased about it. So there. All right, back to the world of Commodore. Oh, by the way, the world of Commodore is coming up on November the 30th and December the 1st of 2024 at the Admiral Inn, which is in Mississauga, Ontario, just a little bit off the QEW. If you have any questions, go to tpug.ca or search for Toronto Pet Users Group, and they have a variety of platforms and things. And anyway, it'll be a good event. It will be. But anyway, to find out all the details, tpug.ca. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.